Having trouble with proximity chat in Warzone? No problem. I've got you covered with a quick fix. Let's jump right in and let's check out the solutions. To start, we'll need to adjust some in-game settings. Open up Call of Duty, then click on the settings icon. Next, navigate to the audio tab, scroll down to find the voice chat section, then make sure that voice chat is turned on. After that, select all lobby for the game voice channel option. Now turn on proximity chat. Click on voice chat output device and choose your preferred device. Now head to microphone section and click on show me. Adjust the open mic sensitivity to 60 or 65. Now click on microphone input device and select your microphone device. Lastly, close the tab and you should be good to go. And there you have it. Now you'll be able to hear everyone nearby when they talk in Call of Duty Warzone. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.